Hi everyone, let's understand the recent case of Supreme Court in which they have said the dying declaration does not become inadmissible just because police officer has recorded it. Basically, usual circumstances में magistrate is bound to take down the dying declaration. Because of some special circumstances, police personnel does it, then the dying declaration merely because of this fact does not become inadmissible. Now let's understand the case in detail. So the facts of the case are, there was the accused, he rapes a girl and then pour kerosene oil on her and set her on fire. After some time, the girl's family member came and they took her to the hospital. The station in charge got the information about the whole incident and then he goes to the hospital to record the statement of a girl. So this statement, which was written down by the police personnel, which was narrated, the girl narrated the incident, the whole incident, like how she was raped and how the accused set her on fire. The whole incident was written down by the police personnel. On the basis of this statement, trial court convicted the accused. Later, the matter went to the High Court and the High Court acquitted the accused. Later, the matter went to the Supreme Court. Now let's understand what does the Supreme Court says on this case. So, the Supreme Court said कि if we look at the facts of the case, जहाँ पर हम ये देखें कि किस सिनेरियो में, किन circumstances में dying declaration दिया गया है. The girl was going to die. She sustained the burn injuries and she was raped. In that scenario, if the dying declaration is given by the girl and it is recorded by the police personnel, it becomes admissible. It does not become inadmissible just because कि वो magistrate के द्वारा लिया नहीं गया है. The Supreme Court says, so the principle is कि although the dying declaration it should be recorded by the magistrate, लेकिन we'll look at the facts and circumstances of the case. If they allow in some special facts or circumstances, if the dying declaration is taken down by the police personnel, then it becomes admissible as well. So that was it for the judgment. Now let's understand all the legal words which we have studied in the video. So the first legal word is inadmissible. Inadmissible मतलब which cannot be accepted in a court of law. जो accept नहीं हो सकता court of law में, उसको बोलते हैं हम inadmissible. Second legal word is fardbain, which I have told you. Dying declaration. Dying declaration मतलब basically होता है statement which is made by a person who is going to die. He tells about all the facts and circumstances which is responsible for his death. Next legal word is prosecution. Prosecution मतलब basically होता है the side. See, in a case there are two parties. So a party which says the accused is guilty and he or she has committed so and so crime, the party which says this thing is known as prosecution. So that was it for the video. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye. Thank you.